Hi guys, good morning once again. I just arrived Digo City and right now I'm here at COL feeding my red. So I was just surprised upon entering the CR. The comfort room is so nice. It's an air conditioning room actually. So they got the prayer room for Muslim and the area is so huge. Very, very huge. So this is my first time to enter here. See, guys. Very comfortable here. So I will be changing my Suki in riding the motorcycle from Shell to COL. Very nice, guys. So actually they also have the see cafe. You got the cafe. What else? Oh, they got also the canteen. Yeah. So very nice. See? That's complete. That's Sally Cafe. And that one is the so okay, it's okay in here.
Sige. Ano yun, akong piso sir ha? Kayo pala rin piso sir. Salamat sir. Mga rin sticker sir. Mga sticker sir.
Pautang daw siya. O, pautang ng piso. Oh, siya pala. Ako pala. Nautangan niya ng piso.
Sir, pira sir. Dito sir.
Ako pala. Nautangan niya ng piso, guys. Tapos naningil pa ng sticker. May utang daw ako sa kanya ng sticker. Ayun eh. Ipipicture natin magandang dilag na yan. Tingnan mo. Magandang ano eh. Magandang nila.